morning, everyone. Class 8, wherever you are. Now, I am answering, taking your math period, and the topic of today's is a number system. My dear students, I have explained yesterday many numbers we have in mathematics. I remind whatever I have explained yesterday, natural numbers, all the counting numbers. My dear students, you must have used numbers in lower classes. So all the counting numbers are natural number. 1, 2, 3, 4, dash, dash. No largest number. Because we gave the successor of any number, and therefore we don't know what is the largest natural number. So far as lowest number is concerned, you know 1 is the smallest natural number, and the set of these numbers is known as natural number. Now today I have explained what is whole number. If you include 0, if you include 0 in the natural number set, that is called whole number. And all the numbers, negative numbers, suppose this one, 1, 2, 3, this is another set, and this set is called integer. Although many numbers, composite number, prime number, even number, odd number, etc., but now we will concentrate on rational number. Rational number. If you want to know what is rational number, any number, if it is written in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. Q should not be equal to 0. And if you ask, why sir? Why Q should not be 0? Why denominator should not be 0? Because in mathematics, till now, we don't know the exact value of any fraction if the denominator is 0. So, if the denominator is 0 of any fraction, that is not defined. We say they are irrational. Now, today I want to explain operation on rational number. You know there are 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. My dear, these 3, 4 rather, are operations. So today we will learn how will you find the sum of two rational numbers. And suppose before coming to the operation, I would like to explain what is the property of zero. Property of zero. Property of zero. If zero is added to any rational number, if zero is added to any rational number, the result remains same. For example, 7 upon 5 plus 0. If nothing is added, it is very clear. No value is changed. This is property of 0. So 7 by 0, and if you write 0 plus 7 by 5, this is commutative property of addition. If you change the order, if you reverse the order of the numbers, the result is same, and this is commutative property of addition. But this is not true in the case of subtraction. Suppose 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4. This is equal 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. I will explain how will you add the given rational number. And now if you find the sum of these and these, we have changed the order of the given rational number, but numbers, the result will be same. But if you say like this, 3 by 4 minus 1 by 8, and 1 by 8 minus 3 by 4, this is not equal. So commutative property is not true in case of subtraction. I will explain later on. Now you see the simple addition of given rational number. So many property of addition. Now I give you the example. Minus 7 by 5 plus 1 by 10, suppose. These two are rational numbers. And you have to find the addition. You have to add these two rational numbers. Minus 5 by 5. Is it a rational number? Yes. You remind yourself the rational number which have numerator and denominator P by Q will be this, and Q should not be 0. So according to that definition, it is very clear these two are rational numbers. Now we have to find the sum of these two. Step number 1, we find the LCM of 5 and 10. You can find in the rough, and LCM I have explained to you yesterday. The smallest number which is divisible by the given number. So this is LCM is 10. LCM, this is the smallest number which is divisible by 5 and 10 both. Although 20 is divisible, 30 is divisible, but this is the lowest. This is the least number, and that is called LCM of the given numbers. You divide 10 by 5, you will get the quotient 2, and this 2 is multiplied by this. So 2 into minus 7. 7 into 2, 14. And you will learn this plus minus minus, minus minus plus, or plus plus plus, or minus plus minus. So if the same sign, we get the positive, opposite sign, we get negative. So this is very important rule, or you can say property of sign in mathematics. Now, so minus here, any number if you write 2, this means this is positive 2. But in practical, we don't write like this. But it is understood this 2 is positive. This 2 is positive. So minus and plus, this will be minus. Sorry. Now you divide 10 by 10. You will get 1, and this 1 will be here. 1 into 1. Now you simplify. Minus 14 plus 1. Minus plus, you see here, minus. 14 minus 1, 13. But 14 is the largest number, that is negative. So here will be minus, and this will be 10, denominator LCM. So this is the addition of number system. So many numbers, rational numbers, either may be positive or negative. We can form the LCM, and I repeat here, these two rational numbers. You find the LCM of 5 and 10, you will get 10. You divide this LCM by all the denominators one by one. 10 divided by 5, you will get 2 quotient, and this quotient is multiplied by minus 7, minus 14, or plus 1, minus 13 by 10. So, my dear, if you know the procedure, you can find the sum given in your book, and if you find any problem, you can contact me with my numbers, and I will try to solve your doubts. So addition, next time I will see the subtraction, division, multiplication. But that's all. This is for addition of rational numbers.